everyone. So in today's video I'm going to be redoing my desk space. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm a Best Buy college crew member, which means that I work with Best Buy to show you cool tech that I think would be helpful as a college student. This video isn't sponsored by Best Buy, but I did get most of these products through the program. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I just got the first out of a couple of my Best Buy packages. Yeah, I got something from my brother. I got him this mouse. I also got a matching one, but in white. So I just got my second box from Best Buy. This is the LG 32-inch QHD monitor. Okay, here's a little typing test of my new keyboard. I feel like it's kind of loud and like clicky. It's more clicky than I would like it to be, so I'm thinking of maybe returning this one and getting a different one, but it's like, I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. I got this one because my brother has this one and he really likes his, so yeah, but for me I think it's a bit too loud, but it does look so pretty. Okay, so now that I have a monitor, it's gonna end up covering most of my wall, so I'm gonna be redoing it today, and yeah, I'm just gonna take everything down first. Okay, now my wall is empty, so I think I'm gonna put my monitor up to see how much space the monitor takes, so I can just like make my wall around it. I actually have some more prints from Katie's shop that I'm planning on adding. most of my prints are from her. Her Etsy shop is Egg Mart, so I'll have it linked in the description if you want to check them out. But I like to start with the bigger pieces, so like these postcards, this one I painted, and the prints that I have. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start it a lot higher, maybe this about the same height as my Pantone wall. So I have all my prints and Polaroids up, and there's still some gaps, so I'm gonna use these stickers. I think I'm pretty much done with the wall. I think it's just like a bigger version of what I had before because it goes up a lot higher now. I'm just gonna finish putting the stuff that goes on my desk.
Can they hear me?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm just gonna leave it in. Ooh. Can you see?
Oh.
Yeah, how do I? Yeah, it's definitely smaller than this other one. It's like without the...
Well, I can't see it.
Oh. The cord is like, what's it called? Like it has like the braided thing.
Oh, so it lasts longer, maybe.
And then the keycap remover and the switch remover. What?
Oh, neat.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wait, this one doesn't have a shift on this side. Oh, it does. Like this one has like a clicky sound. Okay, listen. Versus.
I don't know, man. I like the sound of the red dragon better.
What? I like this one. I like that it's not clicky. It's actually been a while since I finished setting up my desk. I forgot to film a final setup thing. So yeah, I guess I'll just talk about everything. Like I showed before, I redid my wall. I now have a 32-inch monitor from LG. This is from Best Buy, and then this mouse is also from Best Buy. I ended up changing my keyboard to this one, which I got from Amazon, and I have this desk pad that got sent to me by, I think it's Marvelistic. I'll have them linked in the description. That's pretty much it for my new desk setup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and leave a comment and subscribe. Bye!